The question is this: can I delete an email message that I've sent? Typically, the answer is no. For a little bit, the answer may be yes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm in my Gmail account, and by the way, the same thing works in my Google Workspace as it does in Gmail. I'm gonna hit compose. I'm gonna send a message to my buddy. I'm gonna say, hey dude, and I'm gonna say hello, and I'm gonna hit send. Boom. Notice down here, message sent. Undo or view message. What's that mean? And now the undo's gone. Now, here's why that was there. And let me show you how you can change it, maybe make it a little bit longer. So you go over here to your sprocket, hit see all settings, and right here near the top, undo send. It used to be at the bottom, now it's up near the top. Now, what is that all about? Basically what that is that's a pause. When you hit send, Gmail or Google Workspace is going to wait 5 seconds, 10 or 20 or 30 seconds before it actually sends the message. And with that pause before the message is sent, let me go do another one here. Oh, by the way, you change that. You gotta go to the bottom and hit save. Now I can compose, send another email message to my buddy. Hi, and watch this. Now it's going to sit down here for 10 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000. Yeah, I missed a little bit, but it's roughly about 10 seconds that it sat there before it went away. And during that 10-second window, I could have clicked undo. Let me do it one more time and show you what I mean. Do it again. My buddy's going to get tired of all these email messages. I'm going to hit send. And look, I have the ability to undo for up to 10 seconds. So I go, wait a minute, did I say it right? And I hit undo. It brings the message up for me to edit it. I can edit it and go, oh, man, it's a good thing I checked that because I wanted to say testing, hit send, watch this. There it is. I got undo again. I can do it again. I go, wait a minute, I forgot to say testing the system. Oh my golly. I can hit send again, and I'm not going to do it, but I have the ability to undo again for another 10 seconds before that message is actually sent by either Google Workspace or Gmail. Boom, it's gone. I can't bring it back. The only way I can delete a message that I've sent to somebody at this point is for me to run over to their computer, wherever that is, and get the message and delete it so they don't see it. And by the way, if you delete it, you got to empty it from the trash can as well. Hey, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this idea is helpful for you.